green.
Green. That's what I'm gonna use. I can't get the thing here. I can't get. Welcome to Johan's playground. We are gonna use Shankies to color it. So.
Wait, what are we going to make? Tell them first.
Water.
And then what's this? Why do we have this figure?
Figure to fuel.
Okay, because we're going to make a boat, right? We're going to make a boat. And so we first use a half circle, and then Johan's gonna color what below to make some water. Okay, go. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to make the sail now. So we need this, right? What color is this, Johan?
Orange! Yay!
And then the sail. What color is the first sail? Its color?
Yeah.
And then another blue sail. Let's put it here. And a little flag. So now we need some. What can we use to stick it? School glue. Okay. So we'll use this first. So make sure it's. Oh, it's what I told you. Be careful. Okay, so kids, be careful when you put your glue. Make sure there's a supervision of someone, of an adult. So you won't
make any mistakes.
Spill glue. Next, Johan. It's color green.
Green.
Okay.
Now, where's the stick?
Stick it.
Spread it, spread it.
Oh, let's spread it. Sorry. Yeah, that's correct. Okay.
The next sail.
And the next sail. So that's here. So. Oops. That's enough. Okay, then spread it, Johan. Slowly, gently. And then lastly, there, Johan, your foot.
I can't get the thing here. I can't get.
Okay, so the tip should be right here. So that's where we're gonna stick it. So just a little glue maybe on the tip.
There, enough? Enough?
Okay. There you go. That's it.
We forgot the sun. And then the starfish.
Okay, so we put a starfish, then we can use some tape. Sorry. Okay, and then we have another shell here. Put some tape. You already put the shape. You can put it here. There. There. Put the tape. The tape.
Okay.
Okay, so we will use this and pretend it's a sun. Actually, it's a shell, but let's use our imagination. Okay, so we'll put that here. Okay, how about you, Johan? What can you also draw here in the sky? What do you see in the sky?
Clouds?
Clouds. Can you draw some clouds for us? Here. Alright. There you go.
And birds. One bird.
Now show Show them your artwork. Stay here. There's our artwork. There's Johan's artwork. A boat, a sun, some shells under the water. And he used different colors for his boat. And you can also do that too with the help of your mom or your dad. What will you say, Johan, to our viewers?
Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to Johan's Playground. See you tomorrow.
See you in our next episode for more Johan's artworks.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to Johan's Playground.